an aggressive increase in deforestation.
Illegal hunting and animal trade, including online sales.
Unequivocal evidence of climate change.
There are fears that the coronavirus outbreak could become a pandemic.
First responders are battling unprecedented wildfires.
Well, the vaccine cannot come fast enough as the
coronavirus cases in Africa.
South Korea, Iran and Italy.
A full-blown global pandemic.
The decisions we take over the next decade will determine the fate not only of the world's biodiversity, but also the fate of us all.
I endorse the leaders' pledge for nature.
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 I endorse the leaders'
pledge for nature.
And commit to take urgent actions.
Urgent actions.
Urgent actions.
So that united,
we can reverse biodiversity loss
by 2030.
By 2030.
For sustainable development.